is the Ultrasonic Vision Shield, a vehicle-based system made to avoid wildlife-vehicle collisions by using ultrasonic frequencies of specific repel hearing ranges of animals. Some of the components I have used are the Raspberry Pi 3B to be used as the brain of the system, an LED to be used as the signal, a Pi cam to be used as the eyes to see what is on the road, and two passive piezoelectric buzzers to be used as the sound deterrent. Passive piezoelectric buzzers usually look like this, but I have attached two here for prototyping purposes in order to measure if it's releasing the correct frequency. Since ultrasonic sounds are above the hearing ranges of humans, I measure them through an oscilloscope here. So how it works is that when an animal comes on the road, which will stimulate here through a picture, the model starts thinking what animal it is. And as you can see here, it decided it was a deer. So when it decides what animal it is, the LED instantly lights up to alert the driver of the presence of the animal. And the passive piezoelectric buzzer starts producing the correct ultrasonic sound to repel the animal from the road safely. So, which I will be measuring here through the oscilloscope. It's just 28 kilohertz, which is perfect, since that is the correct repel range of the deer. Thank you for listening, and I hope this innovation can one day keep the road safe for everyone, whether it be wildlife or humans. Thank you.